yeah, super happy with the recent setup. Kasi actually yung mga sinasabi ko, di ako makasalita kasi andito siya. Pero thank you na lang. Pero ito na lang. Nababaliw ako. Parang sirang nagpupuyat para sa'yo. Di ko na nagawa ang project ko. Ayun na nga. Yung sa'yo at sa kapatid mo ginagawa ko. Thank you, Kitty. Pwede po bang umakyat kayo? Alam mo, masasabi ko lang, ito, idol ko to si, walang MM to pero more than that, getting to know QD is both, both a blessing and a privilege kasi, tayo lahat may access tayo kay QD online, but getting to know her personally on a deep level, it's something else kasi pag nakita mo siya, how she takes care of her friends, her family, her loved ones, makikita mo na very, wow, she's so inspirational and yeah, nakakataba ng puso na mabigyan ng pagmamahal ng isang cutie kasi ang dami niyang minamahal eh. 'Di ba? Ang dami niyang she gives a lot to everyone. She shares her love to her friends, to me, and to others, and ang saya. And I'm grateful, and for me, it's an honor. So, yun lang po ang sasabihin ko. I'm not speaking on my behalf. I'm speaking dun sa mga people na nakita kong napamahagian niya ng pagmamahal. Ang hirap kasi nun talaga eh. Lalo na pag ang hirap magbigay ng love to others pag you've suffered a lot sa mga, 'di ba? Alam niyo naman yung mga kwento. You don't know the whole story sa kwento ni QD, but some point, 'di ba, may brief tayong how would I say this? Kilala natin siya, and it's just so nice na napapasaya niya tayo, napapasaya niya ako. Ako, napapasaya niya yung mga tao dito sa live, and yeah, and I'm just mumbling words, and I don't know if it does make sense, and if it doesn't, tipsy ako ng onte. But okay, music na lang po. Pero 'di ba totoo naman, 'di ba? Totoo naman. Am I bluffing? Am I capping? No, I'm not. Yes, right? Yes, nakikita niyo 'yun sa kanya. And it shows online. Yun yung kagandahan eh. Online and outside the facade of social media, same pa rin. Parang nga mas prefer ko pa nga yung sa labas ng social media eh. Kasi there's no, there's no filters. Dito, if I'm being honest with you guys, I have to have filters. Yung team ng Bardagulan, kailangan may filter eh. Kasi, syempre, separate pa rin yung personal lives and with our lives here in online. You don't get to see what's behind the scenes. Pero, once you get to see yung behind the scenes ng kay QD, it's beautiful. I swear, it's beautiful. Diba? But yeah, I must stop. Last ko na to.